Achieving carbon neutrality by 2050 is an urgent transition required to realize a sustainable future. Achieving carbon neutrality offers various benefits beyond environmental aspects, including increased production efficiency and cost reduction. This time, we will introduce how CC Composite contributes to improving efficiency and achieving carbon neutrality in the heat treatment furnace field. CC Composite is used as an internal lining material for heat treatment furnaces. It is a lightweight material with low heat deformation and low heat capacity. Next, we'll explain how each feature can be useful. Lightweight. The lighter trays allow for increased loading capacity, reducing the number of furnace operations required. This enables reductions in electricity and fuel consumption. Low heat deformation. Tray deformation affects product quality and reduces production output. The photograph is a CC Composite tray used for heat treatment for over a year. It shows almost no deformation. CC Composite trays can maintain product yield. Low heat capacity. Due to its low heat capacity, it can be heated with minimal energy. This enables reduced energy consumption and shorter heating times. CC Composite jigs also offer enhanced durability and automation capabilities. We also handle various other heat treatment products besides trays, so please feel free to contact us for consultation.